Greetings, Shiners, and welcome to another episode of Lights.Camera.Adventures with Sunshine J. In this episode, we'll be covering our epic whale watching adventure in Telegraph Cove. We got footage of white-sided dolphins, Dall's porpoises, killer whales, Steller sea lions, river otters, and 2 humpback whales. This was definitely the experience of a lifetime, and one of my favorite weekends from summer 2022. Special shout out to Scuba Max. A lot of the footage was captured by her as well. Hope you enjoy what I put together about this very special place on Vancouver Island. Appreciate y'all tuning in. And as always, come back for the next one. The boats we're about to take? You get to see them on the rock like this. I don't think I've seen so many. They're a big gang for sure. You have to sign up on this rock if you can smell it.
Oh my gosh, oh no!
At this point in our journey, we were trotting along Big Stan, a giant transient orca, who showed up 5 minutes after we saw a pod of residents, which is a rare occasion. Once this transient group showed up, our tour guide Scotty put his hydrophone in the water, picked up on absolute silence as the hundreds of dolphins that were in the area tried to escape these predators coming in to have some dinner. If you want to know the difference between resident orcas and transient orcas, check the description below the video for more information.
Oh, there goes a tail. Hey Sean, was this the best whale watching trip you've ever done?
It's the only whale watching trip I've ever done,
but the best?
The best for the rest of your life.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, I'm speechless.
Speechless, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More than ever for that.
It was a good day.
Our tour guide Scotty said that we saw a record 39 individual orcas on this day. Holy. You enjoy that, little buddy. Feasting. I hope you enjoyed this episode, filled with tons of marine life. A new episode coming up in the near future. This is Sunshine J saying sayonara.